Thank you for tuning in on this 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Phoenix. This vehicle is black with a black interior and a black vinyl top. As you can see, it's dressed with a silver pinstripe as well. This vehicle is pre-wired for strobes. It doesn't have strobes on it at the moment. However, they can be optioned with your purchase order. Coming along the side of this vehicle, a Cadillac XTS is a certified Cadillac chassis for the funeral world. Thus, it gets you the 6-lug commercial chassis, wheels and brakes, along with wheel assemblies. Coming along the side here, you can see it has been optioned by the previous owner with B&C pillar chrome, along with a crown band. Both paid options when this vehicle was originally ordered. Coming along the side of this coach, I know we already talked about the optional B&C pillar chrome along with the crown band. One thing I want to note, this is a Platinum Phoenix, so Platinum is the coach builder, Phoenix is the model. This vehicle is all composite. So the conversion on this vehicle, the entire top section, the rear quarters, and the center doors here are all composites. There's no potential for rust within this vehicle, thus making it last for many years to come. Coming into the church truck compartment here, this vehicle was configured with a closed church truck compartment. So you can either slide a church truck underneath, or you can lift this lid and stand a church truck straight up and down. One more thing to note while we're inside this door, there's a little pocket down here on the far right. That is for umbrella storage during the procession. They can be stored in there. It is a closed dry well for umbrellas. Along with B&C pillar chrome and the crown band, this vehicle was also optioned with low door chrome trim. So you can see these two pieces here that are added that bring together the entire front and rear of the coach. Opening the rear door of the coach here, you're going to be presented with a burl laminate floor and a black interior. Nice, very complementary colors, making a very rich environment in the rear cabin. Looking deeper into the coach, you're going to see that this has been equipped with a pop-up urn carrier. This is set into the floor and allows for the coach to be used for both caskets and urns in a procession.
We're good.
So as you can see in the rear of this coach, this is how you would present an urn in the back here. You can dress it up with a flower arrangement around it, as we did here, and then it has 2 acrylic urn stanchions to be able to hold the urn within inside the box. So a couple quick final things to note in the rear cabin here until we move around to the other side of the coach. So you have 90-degree rollers here. So you take the church truck, you would bump it up against the bumper here, slide the casket in. These 90-degree rollers greet the front edge of the casket and allow it to easily slide into the back of the coach. On the right here, you have a quick adjust beer pin. So you press the top button and slide it forward and then tighten it down. That can be placed right here at the back to lock the casket into the front of the coach, thus securing the casket inside. One thing to note, on all XTSs, you have the option of a backup camera. It's located right down here. It's part of the chassis itself, so that allows you to back the coach up close to any sort of wall without guessing like in a DTS chassis, thus giving the user or the driver much more flexibility and much more knowledge while driving the vehicle. Coming to the driver's side of this 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Phoenix, this vehicle is equipped with a full-size spare tire. That matches the exact same tires as that are on this vehicle here, so it'll be a direct swap if you ever have a flat. One thing to note, again, just reiterate, full composite doors here on the number 2 doors, and full composite top and rear body. There's no padding under this vinyl top here, so there's no chance of it getting wet or no chance of it wicking water. Thus, it will last for many years to come. So sitting inside this 2017 Platinum Phoenix, you're going to be presented with a few standard Cadillac options. So you have automatic headlights. You have a power tilt column here, so you can lift the steering wheel up and down with a button on the left side of the column. You have your dual climate control in the center here, so you can adjust from the driver's seat to the passenger seat. You have a full digital touchscreen infotainment system that both has Apple CarPlay along with Sirius XM radio and Bluetooth. So it gives you full flexibility as the driver. You have a hideaway compartment here if you want to put like an easy pass or some sort of sunglasses in here for the driver. All you have to do is press that button to close it. What's a little unique about the XTS is the glove box opens with a push button here, so you can pop that open and put all of your registration documents in there. Just a little neat thing about the XTS chassis. But full leather interior, power adjustable. Everything is power within this vehicle is very highly optioned. One thing to note that we talked about previously is this vehicle is pre-wired for strobes. It does not have strobes currently, but those can be easily added during the purchase. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Phoenix Hearse. This vehicle has 56,000 miles. It is a late model trade-in that just came in. We're going to start reconditioning this vehicle right after this video is made. If you want to have any more information on in this car or inquire about a price, please give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us on the web at parksuperior.com. Thank you.